Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Chances are, the next owner won't have the same appreciation you do for the kitchen you designed. For roughly $20,000, we were able to do a complete kitchen renovation. I did a lot of research before starting this renovation and was able to save a decent amount of money.
Let's help you make your mark.
For a budget of $12,000 to $25,000, you'll be able to upgrade most of your kitchen, along with a few high-end accents. You'll likely complete some projects yourself, but can comfortably hire professionals for specialty work.
Let's help you make your mark.
The average kitchen remodel costs about $15,000. Consumer Reports can help you stretch your dollars with tips on choosing top-performing stainless steel appliances, plus countertops, floors, faucets, lighting and more.
Take our lead.
With $20,000, you could take on one of the most popular renovations, a full upgrade of a kitchen or bathroom. For a kitchen, $20,000 would be enough for a mid-level redo, new counters, cabinets, sink and a couple of upgraded appliances.
Let's help you make your mark.
An average kitchen remodel will pay off more than a high-end renovation. Value Report. A major kitchen remodel costs $68,490 and homeowners recoup $40,127, which is 58.6%. An upscale kitchen remodel costs $135,547, with a 53.9% ROI.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.